Have you ever heard of Marry Me Chicken? I haven't. But you know what? Let's try it together. And let's see what all the fuss is about. Welcome back, friends. So happy to be back. Sean with the Garlic and Butter Guy, my brother behind the camera. Today we're making, you heard it right, Marry Me Chicken. What the hell is Marry Me Chicken?
I've never heard of it.
I don't know. I saw it. I said, you know what? Let me give it a try. Let's do it together. It's my first time trying it. Let's get to it. I have my cast iron skillet really hot. It's smoking already. We're gonna coat the bottom of the pan. Now with this, I have chicken breasts that I filleted. They're really thin. Okay, if you want to use a different type of cut, go ahead. And I have some all-purpose flour. We're gonna add in a few seasonings on the chicken, a little bit of salt, and some black pepper. We'll do that to the other side as well. Some more salt, as much as you like, and some black pepper. Now, we'll go ahead and take these and lightly coat it with flour, just like that. Easy peasy, brush off the excess, and it goes straight into the pan. All right, we're not gonna cook this fully 100% in here. We're gonna take it out and we're gonna start adding all the onions, the garlic, and all the spices to it too. I actually saw them make this and it seems pretty cool. It seems pretty good. So like, let me try it. Let me try to make it and see what all the fuss was about. You never heard it, huh?
No.
Neither have I. Weird. Let's check. A little bit longer.
Marry me? Like, what's the point? Like, it's so good that you want to
marry the person, maybe, yeah. I don't know. But I do know one thing. I did forget something.
Of course you did.
I really thought I had everything.
What was it?
Butter. I'll get it in a little bit. We'll flip this. Let's check it. All right, good enough. Go ahead and flip. I'm gonna raise the temp just a little bit. I'm gonna run and get that butter. All right, so now these are pretty much, let's say halfway cooked. I'm gonna put them off, set them aside. I'll set these here. Now to this, we're going to add some butter, almost a half a stick. Goes in, and we'll let this melt a little bit. Half a red onion, or purple onion in my case. To this we add 4 cloves of garlic, give it a mix. I have some sun-dried tomatoes here. We're gonna go ahead, I sliced them up a little bit. We'll add that in now. We're gonna add in 1 teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of oregano, goes in, and half a teaspoon of paprika, because I said so. Give that a little mix. Now, I have heavy cream, 1 cup, that goes in as well. I love cream, bro. Heavy cream like this, it just makes the sauce so rich and so thick. I also have a little bit of 1 cup we're gonna throw in of some chicken stock. It's 1 cup.
I'm glad you paid extra for your glasses to have the measuring cup in your...
Yeah, bro, it's really 1 cup. You wanna take it out and do it?
I think for the ultimate test, what we should do is we should put like a regular like bowl or something, and you pour.
And then...
And you say, okay, this is the cup, and then you basically take that bowl and pour it into an actual measuring cup and see how accurate you are.
Bro, I'm pretty close.
We'll see.
I'm pretty close.
I think we should do that as a challenge.
Right? Yeah? You're gonna lose, bro. Okay, now I have a cup of Parmesan and then also a cup of Gouda. I think it's Gouda cheese is what they call it.
Gouda cheese?
Gouda, not Buddha. All right, we're gonna go ahead and slowly mix this in.
Can I just have a handful of that?
The cheese, huh?
Yeah.
It's gonna be nice. And now this is gonna be a cheesy thing to say, but it's gonna be really cheesy. Let this melt. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna add a little bit more of the chicken stock, about another half a cup, because we're gonna have the cream break down and thicken up a little bit. So we'll let that cook a little bit. Now the chicken is gonna go in. Cooking. Beautiful. So I'm gonna cook this really low for maybe about 15 to 20 minutes, very, very low. And then I'm gonna dress it really, really nice with a little bit of basil and a little bit of spinach that's gonna go inside. And that's pretty much it. So make sure you guys stay tuned. All right, guys, so it's been about 15 to 20 minutes. This has been slowly cooking. I'm gonna add some spinach and some, what's it called? Basil leaves. And I'm just gonna rough chop them, just like that. And just drizzle it over. Turn off the fire. You know what I'm gonna do too? I'm gonna add a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper. My preference, I'm gonna drizzle it with some chili flakes, just like that. And voila, you have, let's put it here so we can show everybody.
Oh, no.
Oh. So you tell me right after.
I tell you as we're doing it.
All right, so I'm going to take this out just like that. Get it, chikakas. It's so heavy, bro. All right, guys, there you go. The marry me chicken. Is it gonna be worth to say to somebody, will you marry me?
Let's see.
Let's find out. Oh, you know what I forgot?
Oh my.
No, I'm joking. Come on. Let me cut one for you.
You have another fork or no?
Yeah. Ooh, here. Make sure you get it with that sauce. Ooh wee. Ready?
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Mmm. You can also make rice with this, put it on the side. That sauce is sick. Will you marry me?
I was just gonna say. Never mind.
Never mind. There you guys have it. Marry me chicken. Hope you guys enjoyed the episode.
Thanks.
Hey, you're dripping it everywhere, bro. Who's gonna clean it?
You.
Oh, of course. Thank you so much for tuning in. We really appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys like and share. And until the next episode, don't forget, ringle-dingle that bell. Welcome back, guys. We're back. Welcome back, guys. So happy to be back. We are back. No. What's going on, guys? Sean here with the Garlic and Butter Guy. We're back like a hardcore zit.
What?
All right, we're pretty much... All right, so it's been pretty much...